the second power. So first we have to identify that this is an expanding binomial. How can we know that this is an expanding binomial? Because there is two terms. We have the negative x and we have the plus 7. We know it's expanding because of this exponent of 2. So we're going to convert vertex form into standard form using the tic-tac-toe method. So now that we identified this is an expanding binomial again, now we're going to use the tic-tac-toe method. So first we're going to draw out our tic-tac-toe board. Then we're going to put a multiplication sign right in this box, multiplication. Okay, now we're going to separate our binomial, so negative x plus 7. And when we are separating our binomials, we are always going to keep the signs. So this is why I did plus 7. I'm writing plus 7 for a reason. I'm doing negative x for a reason. We have to write the signs. Okay. So now that we did this, now we multiply them. We multiply our factors. So negative x times negative x gives us, well, it's like negative 1 times negative 1. 2 negatives gives us a positive, so it's going to be x squared. Negative x times 7, that's going to be negative 7x. We have negative x times 7, again, that's going to give us negative 7x. And we have positive 7 times positive 7, that is going to give us 49. And if we get confused, we can always go to the calculator. We could just put in 7 times 7 equals what? And it's going to tell, the calculator is going to tell us 47. So now we have to get vertex form into standard form. What is standard form? Standard form again is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so now that we have our terms, we're going to write it out in standard form. So first, standard form says ax squared. So I'm going to go write x squared, because that is first. Now we have our bx. Okay, so what numbers are with the x? We have negative 7x, and we have another negative 7x. So we're going to write them both out. And now our c is the number by itself. So it's a positive 49, so plus 49. Now this is not standard form yet, because we see we have like terms, right? Bx can only be one term. We have two terms. We have negative 7x and we have negative 7x. So in our calculator, we are going to do negative 7 minus 7, and that is going to give us negative 14x. These again, they are like terms. We are combining our like terms, okay? So now I'm going to carry everything down. Plus 49 x squared. So this now is converted into standard form, and this is our answer. X squared minus 14x plus 49. What is important is that we had to carry the signs. We're going to go over this again in class, but this is how we convert vertex form into standard form using the box method, the tic-tac-toe method, okay?